Hello everyone, Brandon Boyd here with I Am Mastery Academy. Answering the question, is I Am Mastery Academy legal? A lot of times people will ask if a company like this, whether it's in the space of direct sales or network marketing, is legal. And so what I want to do is point out today the things that can help you as a customer or potential customer looking into the company to find out if this is a company that is legitimate. And so here's a couple things to keep into consideration. Number one, when you look at Attorney General's office or Federal Trade Commission, they want to find a company that has customers, not just distributors. They want to find a company who the price that they are charging for their services that people are that it truly actually does have the value. When you look inside of the company, we are providing education through these academies. And so we don't actually accept any investments. What that means is that the company will not take money that you would actually trade with. For example, if you buy our platinum package, let's just take that as an example. Let's say it's $225. That is not an investment. It is a subscription where you are paying access to our academies to where you get educated on things such as the foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, so different digital currencies and things like that. So you're paying for an education, you are subscribing to those services. Never at any time does the company take your money and actually have anything to do with the trading portion. They simply educate. We don't get broker transaction fees, meaning any broker that you choose to set up with, just like a bank, the company cannot actually dip in and take any of those commissions because they don't know who you're set up with. It is completely independent. Remember, we are the education company, and what you do with your broker is completely up to you. So there's no relationships with any brokers. We don't get a performance fee or any percentage taken. That goes with your trades as well as the brokers because, again, they do not have access to where your money is actually at because they are only collecting for the education services. You can also turn off your account at any time. That means your subscription account, but you can also turn off your trading account, your brokerage account at any time. That's something that the company cannot control. They don't have control over your money. And last, they don't direct any accounts. They don't trade any of your accounts. There are no auto traders. There are no AI technologies or anything like that because, again, the trading is up to you. The company simply educates. They give you access to the academies. They will educate you on the industries and how things work. They will teach skills that you can actually then take and decide to trade on your own. Everything is at your own discretion. The risk that you take, the lot size you choose, the pairs that you decide to trade is completely up to you. So these are some of the things that keeps the company in line with the public offering of products and services, and also making sure that the value's there for the products and services, which they absolutely are, and also making sure that you have the customer versus IBO ratio in there as well, which is typically 51 to 55% need to be customers, not IBOs and or distributors. So this is the answer to the question, is I Am Mastery Academy legal? I hope that this has been helpful. This is Brandon Boyd signing off.